Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to see advanced real-time Power BI project, and this is created in Power BI. So there are five total dashboards which are designed in this particular project, and we are using a multiple table data modeling in this particular project. So you will be learning so many advanced things, so many new techniques, and so many, I can say, data modeling and cleaning techniques in this particular video. So in front of your screen, you can see this is our first dashboard, which is an overview dashboard. And the topic which we have chosen in front of your screen, you can see the title is Indian General Elections, which happened in 2024, or you can also call it as Lok Sabha elections. We call it to choose the Prime Minister of our India, right? So in front of your screen, we can see this will be our overall analysis. And based on that, these are the few insights which are created at higher level. Okay, so which party won how many seats, what was their percentage of share in that particular of the total seats, right? So in Lok Sabha elections or in general elections, we know there are total 543 seats across India in all states, right? And out of that, India Alliance, or sorry, the India Alliance, which was led by Mr. Narendra Modi, won 292 seats. That is 54% of seats of total majority they have won. So India and Narendra Modi is elected as a current Prime Minister of India, and he is currently also the Prime Minister of India, right? Then we have India Alliance. It's I dot N dot D dot I dot A dot. So that's Alliance. I don't know the full form. I mean, I know, but I don't remember right now. So they won 234 seats, which is 43% of that total. And others which are do not belong to this alliance, and they have fought that elections independently. There were 17 seats, and they're 3% of total. And later on, one of the independent joined, I guess, India Alliance, which counts as 293, but according to our data, shows at that particular time, which it shows 292. So you might see one difference in that. So this is an overall, and you can see the different images has been used and all those things. And as I told you, there are different DAX calculations used in over here. You can see. So this is one of the DAX been used over here. Again, for percentage calculation also, there are few DAX been used over here. All right. So here as well, to calculate total seats also, there are been DAX been used over here. And these are the basic DAX I can say, but we have used an advanced DAX to calculate all these things, right? Then breaking up the NDA alliance, how many parties included in NDA alliance who have won the particular seat. So there were 14 parties which have won the seats, and these are those parties with the total number of seats won arranged in ascending order. So you can see it's BJP descending order. I can say it's BJP with the maximum seat share of 240, then TDP. Likewise, there are 14 parties were there. And in India Alliance, there were 20 parties with the highest maximum own, which was International Congress with 99 parties, right? So this is an overall dashboard or overall analysis of the dashboard which has been given, and all the logos and all the things are been mentioned over here, which gives an clear idea of that particular election results, right? So here you have an option here called to go to home page. So actually I showed you a directly overall analysis, but when I click onto this particular home page, and it will be taking me to the landing page. Actually, this will be our first dashboard, and from here you can navigate to different dashboards, right? So this was our overall analysis which I just showed you, and then next is state demographics. So when I click on state demographics, it will take me to the states page, right? So here also we have used different advanced DAX. So you can see this is the one particular DAX. Here also you can see for party alliance we have taken this particular DAX. Then we have party short also. So there are so many been DAX been used over here, and high level DAX I can say. Not a single liner or two liner. There are high level of DAX and advanced DAX been used in this particular entire project, right? So these are just few which I just showed you, and this particular dashboard shows the state demographics, right? So in Indian country for different states, how are the demographics? So when I hover over my mouse on, let's say, on state Maharashtra, so how many seats were there for general election? Like 48 seats. Then alliance with majority seats on was India, and so NDA seats were 17 and India seats were 30. So this also required so many of calculation. We don't have directly this, so we have applied some formulas and then we have calculated it, right? So, and it is a dynamic dashboard. We have some actions on this. So this will give you the seats and state-wise information. This will give you the constituency-wise. So we have drilled down this particular chart over here, and you can see the constituency-wise. Each bubble shows the constituency-wise results, and the color you can see blue color will show the seat has been owned by India party, and the saffron color or orange color will show the seats owned by India party, and grayish color or somewhat blackish color will show the seats were independent. So if you hover your mouse anywhere, you can see for, let's say, for this constituency, which is Jalore, it's in Gujarat, I guess, not Rajasthan, and the winning candidate was the Lubra, and by how many votes he have won and by what margin he have. So likewise, you can take an information from here. So like for India, Maharashtra in Shirdi, you can say India party won, that is Bhausaheb Vaksamre. Total seats and votes by margin, how many by what margin he won. So all these are not directly present. We have to write those calculations with the sheets we have, right? So this was actually the information which has been shown by constituency, and this is the seats which the color has been just given to the states accordingly by which particular state have majority of win by that particular alliance, right? So, for example, in Maharashtra, you can see India Alliance was one which won with maximum number of seats, right? And in Gujarat, you can see it was NDA Alliance. So out of total, how many have won as maximum? So here you can see if in Gujarat, you can see 26 seats were there, but NDA won 25. So it is the majority party, or we can say a party with that majority seats owned in that particular state. So this is what I'm trying to show over this particular dashboard. All right. So before moving, I will also show you what data modeling we have used over here. You can see in this we have used 5 tables over here, right? So here you can see we have used 5 tables and we have created an entire data model. We have optimized it, we have corrected it so many times so that we will get an correct information, correct results in this particular we can say project. So here you can see we are using I mean to say a galaxy model, I can say, or a snowflake model, we can say over here. We are not using the actual star schema over here, right? So that's what we are going to use in this particular entire project, right? So when we go back to our report, and let's say I will go back again to home page, and now I want to go to constituency wise results. So I'll just click on this constituency wise result. This will take me over here. So in this, you just have to select any constituency, and it will give you the first, I mean, the winner of that constituency, the name of that particular winner, from which party he is, by how many votes he have won, and what was the total vote share which he got out of this total votes. So the KPI give you here the total votes of that particular candidate, how many votes he have received as through EVM, and how many votes he have received as an postal votes, and how many participants were participating for that particular seat over there. So right now you can see in front of your screen, this is for Agra. And if you want to choose anything, so let's say I want to see for Aligarh. So when I click on for Aligarh, you can see who have won. It is in Uttar Pradesh state. Satish Kumar have won this from BJP. How many is the how many votes and vote share you can see. So likewise, you can see for your particular, any whatever you want, that is your constituency. You can see from here all the constituencies, all 543 constituencies are there. You can look for Faizabad, like it was Awadhesh Prasad ji who went from Samajwadi Party from UP, right? So likewise, you can choose anything. So if you can choose for Balia as well. From Balia, Sanatan Pandey won from Samajwadi Party, right? So likewise, you can choose anyone, and you can see the winning candidates, the total number of seats won. And this entirely has been designed and required so many of the calculations, guys, right? So from here we have created so many calculations. Here you can see so many measures are there likewise. So we have to find out second runner up, first runner up, right? So you can see this kind of filters are being used, this kind of functions and DAX calculations are being used in this particular report, right? So this is entirely, I can see, an advanced report. those who have already completed, they will learn so many things from this particular dashboard. All right. So then we will go back again to our home page, and lastly we will see the state analysis. I will just click on state analysis. So this will give you the state-wise information. So for Maharashtra, I have selected right now, and here at the top the KPIs are there. So what does this mean? That India Alliance have won how many seats in Maharashtra, in NDA Alliance have won how many, and other, that is independent, have won how many. And out of this, here you can see this will give you the information of party wise, I mean breakout, right? So how many parties were included in Maharashtra and how many seats they have won. And here this is nothing but the percentage of seats, number of seats won over here, right? So let's say I want to see for Andhra Pradesh. So when I click on Andhra Pradesh, it will give me the map of Andhra Pradesh, and then it will give me the information of how many or I can say parties which were involved and how many seats where they have won over here, right? And here as well, right? So if, and this is the party alliance at top, so which will give you the more information. So for Gujarat, you can see NDA won 25 and India Alliance just won one. So likewise, you can see for your state, right? You can look for your state. So in UP, you can see 43 were by India, 36 where NDA Alliance, other was one, and this is the breakout of each and every party, right? And alliance is also mentioned over here, right? And this is the percentage of distribution of different parties and their percentage of seats won out of total in that particular state. All right. So this takes a lot of calculation, is an advanced dashboard, and I know there can be two or three more dashboards can be created from this particular analysis, which I will be creating in coming time. And I request you also to create a more and more such dashboards, right? So if you are interested and want to learn so many advanced things from this project, and if you want this project, the link is available in the description of this particular video. Just click over there and you can buy it from my website, and all the information is present over there. With this particular project file, you will get an working Power BI file. So the same working Power BI file which I just explained you right now, you will get the entire raw data. You can see the table view over here. These are the 5 different tables which are being used. All these tables you will get. All the DAX calculations will be included in this report itself, which you can see directly. So when I go over here, and you can see the different DAX calculation which have been used, all the images you can see here, these images which are present over there, all these images you will also get over there, so you can use it in your own project as well, right? And all the backgrounds, all the design here you can see, these are the designs which I have used over here. All these designs also you will get over there. I have created it by myself. So entire wireframe you will get, and you will be learning so many new things. And especially for freshers who are there, they can add this project in your resume, and you can showcase that you have worked on multi-table projects, advanced projects where you created 5 different dashboards. All right. So this was all about this project, and I will come up with a new exciting projects just like this, and see you in the next video, guys.